Just a quick little video. So a lot of the times when that happens, there's a little packing nut back here that just needs to be cinched down. The hardest part of this is just trying to get this handle off. It should come right off, but over time with hard water, it just gets really hard to get off. I might have to cut that off. You just wiggle it back and forth, up and down, and eventually you'll break it loose. There we go, I can feel it coming now. I'm gonna need two hands, sorry if it just gets crusted up. The minerals. And this does too. See how bad that gets? No way to avoid that. So then you just unthread this, and it's this little nut right there. It typically leaks. It's really not that big of a deal. This doesn't always fix it, boom. There you go. All it needed. A little cinch. That's it. It does make these a little harder to open and close, and I've done this before in older folks' homes, and they'll complain that the handle is too hard to turn. But just something to keep in mind. But that's all it needed. No leaks. Now that diverter, that's letting a lot of water out, but that diverter might need to be changed. Wait, what the heck's going on? Why not? What's up with the shower? Why is it not? What the heck's going on here? The shower's not. What the hell happened? Oh. What the hell is that? Oh, it's not working anymore. It's working now. That was weird. Okay. Had something to do with that thing. I don't know what that is. Okay.